Naghain na ng panibagong diplomatic protest ang Pilipinas sa China. Kaugnay ito ng pananatili ng Chinese monster ship sa karagatang sakop ng bansa. Ayon kay National Task Force West Philippine Sea o NTF-WPS spokesperson at National Maritime Council ADG Jonathan Malaya, nakababahala na ang presensya ng naturang dambuhalang barko.
The presence of the monster ship is clearly unacceptable. It is a provocative act. It is increasing tensions in the region. Right now, we're at a situation wherein the Philippine government is alarmed by the presence of the monster ship. The presence of the monster ship is clearly unacceptable. It is a provocative act. It is increasing tensions in the region.
Kung dati, nagpapatrolya lamang ang mga barko ng China at nakapaligid sa mga pinag-aagawang bahura. Ngayon, mahigit 10 araw na itong nananatili sa loob ng 60 hanggang 90 nautical miles ng Zambales.
But this time around, the behavior of the Chinese Coast Guard is intentional and focused only at a certain distance from off the coast of Zambales. As I said, it's either 60 to 90 nautical miles. And based on our initial assessment, although this may not be the definitive answer for such behavior, but if you're going to overlap the 9-dash line and the area of the concentrated operation of Haidai 01, you can see that the area that they are operating is actually focused on the 4th dash of the 9, now 10-dash line.
Dalawang barko naman ng PCG ang idineploy malapit sa monster ship kasama ang iba pang asset ng Philippine Navy at PCG upang buntutan at i-monitor ang kilos ng barko. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.